Alright, so today I wanted to show you guys how to get a DIY, I guess you can say, let's see, a DIY wand for cheap. So this cost me $12. I believe it's $8 at some Walmarts. So you can get it cheaper than $12.94. So it looks like this. All you want to do is go ahead and buy the size curler that you want. And then what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew this part. And then it's just going to be this little wand piece. So you're just going to need two items, honestly. A screwdriver and the hair curler of your dreams. Anyway, so this is from IKEA. And this is the screwdriver. And I have all these little bits to fit any size screw. So it looks like a basic one. So what we're gonna do is just open this. And then sorry for the mess. I am in the middle of packing up because I am moving. So grab that one. So this is the one that I got. I just literally put it in that hole. And I'm doing this with one hand. Oh, it's kind of like magnetic, so it's not going to fall. Let's switch hands. So now what you're going to want to do is just unscrew this piece. Honestly, I think whoever invented the wand or thought of the wand, they kind of just probably didn't even know how to use a regular curler, which not a lot of people know. So boom, and it's done. So for that piece, for this little piece, if you don't mind it sticking out, you could just leave it. I kind of don't mind it because I don't know how to get it out. So we're gonna leave that. I mean, you can always just get wire cutters, well, pliers or wire cutters, and cut that. So you know what? I'm actually gonna try and see if I can do that. So. I'm gonna set you guys back down. So this piece right here is the wire, the pliers, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to see if that works. And you know what? It does if you're strong enough. And I'm not strong enough, so I'm just going to leave that. So that was pretty easy. A little hack. And then you have a little wand. Skinny one at that. So this little wand is going to make it look like tighter. It's going to have tighter curls, so it's going to look more natural, and that is the style I'm going for because I don't feel like paying like $400 or $500 for a wig with those type of curls, naturally, those natural type of curls. So I'm going to create that on the wig that I have now, and I'll be back to show you guys what that looks like at the end.